Did you know that nearly 1 in 4 new cars experience a significant issue before reaching 40,000 miles? It's a shocking statistic that many potential car buyers are unaware of. In today's video, we're going to delve into the 17 least reliable cars that might not even make it past that crucial 40,000 mile mark. From performance issues to exorbitant repair costs, these vehicles come with red flags that should make any prospective buyer think twice. Stick around as we'll also reveal the car that ranks last on our list, an unexpected shocker. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates. 17. Jeep Wrangler. Starting with the Jeep Wrangler, this iconic off-road vehicle often struggles with reliability. Known for its ruggedness, it comes with several issues that owners frequently report. One of the most common problems is engine failure, with repair costs reaching around $4,400. But that's not all. Wrangler owners also complain about electrical malfunctions and transmission issues such as gear slippage, which can cost upwards of $22,000 to fix. Adding to the list of concerns, the infamous death wobble is a known issue that can make high-speed driving unsafe. Repair costs for this dangerous malfunction average $800. In 2024, the Wrangler has already faced 6 recalls, indicating ongoing reliability issues. While the Wrangler's off-road capabilities are impressive, these persistent maintenance problems make it a risky option for long-term ownership. 16. Mitsubishi Mirage. Next up is the Mitsubishi Mirage. Priced around $18,000, the Mirage is one of the least powerful cars on the market with a meager 78 horsepower engine. It struggles to perform, especially on highways, where it often feels underpowered. Additionally, the Mirage has been widely criticized for its poor build quality. Drivers report noisy cabins, uncomfortable rides, and poor handling. While it is a budget-friendly option, its long-term durability and reliability are significant concerns. Many owners find themselves dealing with a vehicle that's less than reliable, making the Mirage a risky choice for anyone looking for longevity. 15. Volkswagen Jetta. The Volkswagen Jetta is another car on our list of unreliable vehicles. Priced around $21,000, the Jetta offers affordability but comes with multiple issues. One of the most common problems reported by owners is engine stalling, often linked to ignition switch failures, leading to frustrating breakdowns. High fuel consumption and misfiring, especially in turbocharged models, are also frequent complaints. Electrical faults are another headache, with the Jetta being particularly prone to issues that affect the ignition switch and contribute to engine stalling. In 2024, the Jetta faced 4 recalls, mainly targeting these serious electrical issues. Despite its attractive price, reliability remains a significant concern for long-term ownership. 14. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier is priced around $28,000, but it doesn't come without its fair share of issues. Transmission and drivetrain problems are common, and these issues tend to worsen under heavy use, frustrating owners. Engine overheating and rough shifting are frequent complaints, and in 2024, the Frontier had already faced 3 recalls, highlighting ongoing concerns about its durability. For anyone looking for a workhorse, the Frontier might not be the best option, especially if you're seeking long-term reliability. It's a risky investment that could lead to costly repairs before hitting 40,000 miles. 13. Rivian R1T. Taking the 13th spot is the Rivian R1T, a new electric truck that has faced several reliability issues. Owners report frequent software glitches that affect key systems, making the driving experience frustrating. There have also been issues with the suspension, making the ride less smooth, and charging interruptions that are often tied to either software or hardware faults. As a new brand, finding replacement parts and trained technicians can be challenging. In 2024, the Rivian R1T had 4 recalls, including serious issues with the airbag and accelerator pedal, raising concerns about its overall reliability. This truck may not be the best bet for those looking for a vehicle that will last past 40,000 miles. 12. Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60, while celebrated for its safety features and luxury, still faces some serious reliability concerns. Priced around $53,000, the XC60 struggles with transmission problems, engine stalling, and electrical failures, particularly in the infotainment system and driver assist features. In 2024, the XC60 had already been subjected to 3 recalls, indicating that long-term reliability may not be its strong suit. While it excels in safety and comfort, its ongoing mechanical and electrical issues make it less of a dependable option for those looking for longevity. 11. Ford F-150 Hybrid. The Ford F-150 Hybrid, priced around $47,000, offers better fuel efficiency compared to its traditional counterparts, but it's not without its own set of problems. Owners have reported issues with the hybrid battery, engine stalling, and drivetrain failures. Despite being part of one of the most iconic truck families, the F-150 Hybrid's reliability has been questioned. In 2024, it had already faced 4 recalls, which have raised concerns that it may not hold up as well as the standard F-150. For those seeking a hybrid truck with long-term durability, this may not be the ideal choice. 10. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue features a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with innovative variable compression technology. While this may sound impressive on paper, it has led to potential internal bearing failures and severe knocking noises, causing problems for many owners. In addition to this, the Rogue is infamous for its continuously variable transmission, CVT, which often fails prematurely. Consumer reports suggest that nearly 15% of Nissan Rogue owners have experienced transmission issues within the first few years, with CVT replacement costs sometimes exceeding $3,000. These ongoing issues, coupled with ongoing investigations from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, make the Rogue a risky choice for long-term ownership. 9. Ford Bronco Sport. The Ford Bronco Sport, priced around $34,000, is another car with notable reliability issues. Equipped with a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder EcoBoost engine, the Bronco Sport has faced significant challenges in terms of engine performance. Ford has repeatedly recalled the engine for fuel injector cracking, which poses a fire risk. In addition to this, owners have reported overheating issues, turbocharger failures, and excessive engine noise. The vehicle has also been criticized for rough shifting and powertrain issues, with many owners experiencing problems long before reaching 40,000 miles. Despite its stylish appeal, the Bronco Sport falls short in terms of reliability. 8. GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado. Taking the 8th spot are the GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado, 2 of America's most popular full-size trucks. Starting at around $36,000, these trucks are praised for their power and performance, but they've been plagued by reliability issues. One of the most common problems is related to GM's cylinder deactivation technology, which is meant to improve fuel efficiency by shutting down half of the engine's cylinders under light loads. Unfortunately, this system has been linked to lifter collapse, engine noise, and even engine shutdowns. 7. Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos, a compact SUV with a starting price of around $22,000, rounds out our list of least reliable cars. Despite its affordable price and stylish appearance, it has been reported to have a multitude of reliability concerns. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine has faced performance issues including fuel system failure and stalling. Additionally, over 20% of Taos owners reported significant engine issues within the first year of ownership. The all-wheel drive versions come with a dual-clutch transmission, which has a history of reliability problems that can lead to costly repairs. On top of that, electrical issues have been commonly reported, diminishing the vehicle's overall appeal. While it may seem like a good deal on the surface, the Taos' long-term reliability issues make it a risky choice for prospective buyers. 6. Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe. At number 6, we have the Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe and Wrangler 4xe, plug-in hybrid SUVs that promise adventure and off-road capability. However, these vehicles come with significant reliability concerns. Priced from around $55,000, both models have faced multiple recalls due to serious issues, including hybrid battery failures and sudden engine shutdowns while driving. Reports from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, show that owners have struggled with poor hybrid efficiency in colder weather, battery drain, and rough shifting. A Consumer Reports survey revealed that over 30% of Jeep owners experienced electrical or drivetrain problems within the first year of ownership. Given the number of complaints, these hybrid Jeeps may not be the best choice for those seeking a dependable vehicle. 5. Hyundai and Kia. Next, we have several Hyundai and Kia models equipped with the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, including popular cars like the Hyundai Elantra and Kia Forte. While these vehicles boast stylish designs and affordable pricing, their engine reliability has been a persistent issue for over a decade. The Theta engine family is notorious for excessive oil consumption, bearing failures, and even engine fires. The NHTSA has recorded over 3 million recalls related to these problems. Many owners report that engine issues emerge well before reaching 40,000 miles, often leading to costly repairs and extended downtime. Despite Hyundai and Kia's efforts to address these issues, these models remain risky choices. 4. Infiniti QX50. The Infiniti QX50, priced around $55,000, may seem like a luxurious option, but its reliability record tells a different story. This SUV shares many of the same drivetrain concerns as the Nissan Rogue, with frequent reports of engine stalling, transmission failures, and electrical glitches. According to J.D. Power, the QX50 ranks below average in reliability when compared to its luxury SUV competitors. Owners have complained about the turbocharged 2.0-liter engine and its continuously variable transmission, CVT, both of which suffer from recurring issues. With expensive repair costs and an unpredictable performance record, the Infiniti QX50 is a risky choice for buyers looking for long-term dependability. 3. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, starting at $40,000, is a family minivan with a troubling track record. It has faced multiple recalls, primarily related to its hybrid powertrain. Reports of electrical failures, battery issues, and even vehicle fires have caused concern among owners. Consumer Reports rank the Pacifica Hybrid as one of the least reliable vehicles, citing widespread mechanical and electrical problems. Adding to the frustration, Chrysler technicians often struggle to diagnose and repair these hybrid system issues, making ownership unpredictable and costly. 2. Jaguar F-Pace. The Jaguar F-Pace, a luxury SUV priced at approximately $55,000, might look stylish, but its reliability leaves much to be desired. Owners have reported numerous mechanical problems, including electrical system failures, transmission problems, and engine oil leaks. According to J.D. Power, the F-Pace ranks significantly below average in reliability when compared to its luxury SUV rivals. Additionally, repair costs can skyrocket due to expensive parts and specialized services, making ownership an expensive gamble. 1. Tesla Model S and Model X. At the top of our list are the Tesla Model S and Model X, two electric vehicles that have consistently ranked low in reliability surveys. While Tesla leads the EV market, these luxury electric vehicles have been plagued with mechanical and software-related issues. Owners have reported suspension failures, battery problems, and touchscreen malfunctions that render critical vehicle functions useless. Furthermore, repair costs are high, and service wait times can be frustratingly long. Consumer Reports consistently ranks these models among the least reliable vehicles, making them risky choices despite their high-tech appeal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more auto insights coming soon.